Hi, welcome to Nurture Tech Academy. My name is Azim. In today's session, we are going to discuss about how to create a waterfall chart. What is a waterfall chart and where we can use it to show if you have a data in a mix of positive and negative values, right? And you want to show in through a chart, then we can use waterfall chart, right? So as you can see in my database, there is a month wise profit ratio, right? In some of the month I have gained positive response, positive profit, and in some of the month again negative profits, right? So according to flow of my profit ratio, I need a chart should be flow like this. Okay, so this one, right? So I'm just going to delete it first. Select the data, go to insert tab, click on this dialog box. You have already recommends you some, you can see that, right? This one is called a waterfall chart. So you Microsoft already assume it and give it to you. However, if you want to select it manually, you can click on all chart. Here is the list of all charts. Now you can find waterfall, right? And just click on this. Okay, so here is your waterfall chart, right? So as you can see on the basis of 0, it started from the 0. So first data is in the month of January. If I'm talking about in the month of January, it's 500 plus point, it's gained, so it increases now 100 minus, so we below 100 minus, so it's the flow is going down and again positive, and this is the combination of positive and negative, so it's look like this. Okay, so this is your waterfall chart. You can put the title here like it's share profit ratio, and you can remove the grid lines like this, select and delete it. Okay, so this is your flow. You can see a join line of each and every chart. This is called a flow up. It is started from here and ended here, right? So once you insert this chart, you will get chart tools in your ribbon tab. Go to chart tools, you will get design and format. There are two tabs, as I have already discussed earlier. From this chart style, you can select the design which is given by Microsoft default, and you can take some colors, you can take some layouts, quick layouts, which help you to show your data, right? It's created by default. In add chart elements, there are a lot of options. We can take this or these options from here, as well as the shortcuts of this option is given the right side, right edge of this chart, and it's showing it in a doctor sign like plus. You can click here. If you don't want to show the data label, just click. It will it will vanish. If you want to remove data labels, click uncheck this button, it will vanish. Now chart title, access title, grid lines, if the grid lines you need to show them, just click here. And legend will help us to understand what which color is showing positive value and which color is showing in a negative value. So blue is for positive one and orange is for negative one. So this is so friend, this is a waterfall chart. You can create it manually in the previous version, right? But if you are a user of Office 365 or 2016 version, you can take it by default. This option is available by default in your chart section. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and if you have any question, you can write it down below of the comment box. And thank you so much for watching this. Still if you are not subscribing, subscribe our channel, subscribe it, so that Nurture Tech Academy continues uploading new videos on new topics. You will get a notification. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this and happy learning.